Hello from Gardening at Douentza in Ireland, and this is a very short video about hyacinth. A little while ago I was having a bad day, so I went into a supermarket and I had a look at the plant section and found a whole load of hyacinths in pots like this. So 3 bulbs in the one pot, and they were budding. The buds were coming up from the top, and of course I bought one. They were only $1.99 and brought it home. Every year up until now I've bought hyacinth bulbs in autumn and planted them in the greenhouse, and occasionally bought one over a glass of water which I've put into the house, but I hadn't done that this year. So, well, I don't know, it wouldn't be spring without the glorious scent of hyacinth all through the kitchen. So I bought this one and brought it home, and just now it's coming into flower, and I chose the white one, which is really, really pretty. You can see that the tips of each flower have green to them. And if I could only share the scent with you, because it's absolutely amazing and permeates a great space in the kitchen. Now, after I brought these home, I had to stake them because they did flop a bit, and that's because they've been grown soft. They've been grown indoors and forced to come into bloom a little bit earlier than they should, and the stems have grown a bit longer than they will if you plant them in the garden. But wow, look at those blooms. Just giving you a close-up. They're not completely open yet, but they're fantastic. Of course, hyacinths are a perfectly garden-worthy plant, and you can put them outdoors in the ground, and they come back year after year. Now, only the first year will they give you a full head of flowers like this. It's because of the way they're treated. And the following years, what you'll find is on a stem, you'll have a few flowers on this side and one up there maybe and one down there, but the scent is still magnificent, so they really are worth transferring to the garden at the end. So that's my hyacinths, and just to show you that my Hippeastrum papilio is also in full flower at the moment. I have 2 blooms this year, just to show some of the detail here on this one. Pretty fantastic, really. That's one flower. I had feared this one wouldn't flower this year because I removed 2 small pseudobulbs in spring, but it has surprised me and done really well. What I really like about the papilio is that the flowers are kind of oblong shaped. They look like they've been squished slightly from the side, and that's just their natural presentation, but it's very interesting. And if you take a photograph of them and put them up somewhere, people will think something's happened to the photograph and it's become elongated through, well, kind of messing around in paint shop or something. But no, that's not the case. Okay, so that's the end of my video about Hippeastrum and and the hyacinths. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.